How to defeat analysis paralysis.
Take effing action, put it together, and subscribe to Tom Peng's channel on YouTube now. Yeah, I like it. It's crazy.
So in the previous episode, we talked about how analysis can be a paralysis. And the reason why you're always doing analysis, the reason why you're always overthinking, the reason why you're always doing market research, competitive analysis, business plan, why you're always planning is because you're scared to take fucking action. So by doing research after research after research, doing plans after plans after plans, it is your way of delaying taking fucking action. And you don't want to take the fucking action because you're fucking scared. You're scared to fail. You're scared to actually execute that plan and find out the results. You're scared to see the results. That's why you're always planning and researching and planning and researching. You can't take fucking action. Analysis is paralysis. So in this episode, I'm going to tell you how to overcome analysis paralysis, how to take fucking action so that you can get stuff done. So the way to defeat analysis paralysis is having a good understanding of time management. I'll give you an example. See, my engineering team runs a process called Scrum. You don't need to know what it is, but it's a very effective process. It helps my engineering team deliver software very, very fast and produce a lot of high quality software in a very short time. And the reason why they can do it is because they have these things called 2-week sprints. So every 2 weeks, they must deliver what they promise. So at the beginning of the week, they only do about 1 day of planning, and they promise what they're gonna deliver in the next 2 weeks. And at the end of the 2 weeks, they have to demonstrate that to the whole company. So there's a meeting at the end of that 2-week period, and they will show all the new features to the entire company. So when you set a time frame, I must complete all these things within 2 weeks, then it will push your ass. It will push you to execute and get it done. If you don't have a deadline, then there's no pressure for you to deliver, and that will make you go into this overthinking analysis loop, right? Because you don't have to deliver anything. There's no time pressure on you, so you have all the time in the world to do research, to do planning, to do analysis. Always set a schedule. Always set a time when you need to complete something. When do you need to launch that marketing campaign? When do you need to release that piece of software? When do you need to get the press article out? When do you need to close that deal, right? Don't let your work be open-ended with no schedule. When you don't have schedule, that's when the overthinking happens and you're scared to take fucking action. When you have time pushing you, then you have no time to overanalyze. You have to take the fucking action to get stuff done by that date. Use time management, use scheduling as a way to overcome analysis paralysis. I hope that helps you. Take fucking action and don't be a fucktard.